friends, welcome back to our channel Toy to Buy. I'm Ashu and today I'm unboxing in this video is a 8.5-inch LED writing pad. So without wasting a time, let's get started. So here is our product. But before we unbox, I want to tell you in this video we give away this product. So for giveaway, you need to follow these steps. First, subscribe to my channel. Second, give a like to this video. And third, put your comment. And also watch this video till the end. So, it is very useful product. You can use for painting, calculation, also for practice, drawing. So etc. So it is very useful for kids. There is a warning behind this, how to use it, all these things are given here. Its specification has also been given, that delete button, battery, pen, all those things. During our childhood, we used to draw on a black pad with chalk, but now because of a technology, we have similar option for kids. So today we unbox a writing tablet. Let's see what inside this box. It's too lightweighted. It's made of plastic and having a good quality. It's having one pen, so with the help of this pen, we write on this tab. And if we want to erase it, then there is a delete button you can see on the bottom on this pad. When we turn it, there is one button. If we lock it, then let's see what happened. We write something but we can't able to erase it. So basically because of this button, delete button stop its function. And beside this button, there is one section from where you can change a battery. So according to me, it's best for kids in this budget, because its price is below 300. Yes, below 300. So friends, if you like this product, please subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want to buy this product, you can check out my description. I given a buy link. So by using this buy link, you can buy this product. And also, if you want such type of content, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and also on YouTube. By subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new notification. So thank you for watching this video.